Angered by that historical vote opening Boy Scouts to openly gay youth, some Scout leaders plan to break off and create a new organization. He says a meeting will take place next month in Louisville to create the new alliance.
They came from across the country. Some have served in the Boy Scouts of America for decades. And now this faction of Scoutmasters, Eagle Scouts, and other leaders from Boy Scouting troops are announcing the launch.
Gentlemen, my goal here today is to speak on behalf of the Board of Directors of Trail Life USA. We very simply thank you, honor you, for the way that you have walked through and graciously and generously passed the baton of leadership. Thank you for fearing God and not fearing man. Thank you for putting principle over profit. Because of your leadership, should the Lord tarry, untold hundreds of thousands of boys will become godly men. May God continue to bless this property and continue to bless the mutual missions of seeing boys become godly men.
Hi, I'm Josh Culbertson, Senior Pastor of Holly Ridge Baptist Church. I'm also a leader in our church's Trail Life troop. Trail Life's not just an outside group that meets at our church, it's a vibrant ministry of our church. Our troop started with just a handful of boys, but it's expanded to reach many more families. Our church has benefited from this ministry in 4 key ways. First, there's inReach. Connecting dads and sons to God in creation, what could be better than that? It's a vital component to developing our member families. Which leads us to discipleship. And not just for the boys. Male leaders grow in their walk with Christ, learning to become better husbands and fathers as they lead the troop. This builds the entire family. Next, there's the community impact. We teach our trailmen the value of serving by moving out beyond our church into our local neighborhood. The larger community becomes aware of our church and sees us as a helpful and relevant part of this community. Finally, this exposure brings new young families into our church. Trail Life is easy to implement. They've already done the heavy lifting for you, producing handbooks, many useful program resources. They've created a volunteer support network, and they provide background checks and youth protection training for leaders, as well as insurance for members and for the facility. Our Trail Life ministry is so beneficial in the life of our church, and I'm sure it will bring value to yours as well.